Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Thirsty Affiliates affiliate balance step by step clearly. To withdraw your affiliate balance from Thirsty Affiliates, first, log in to your Thirsty Affiliates account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Payments or Withdrawals section on the dashboard. Click on that section to access your affiliate balance. You should see your current balance displayed. Before proceeding, ensure that you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. If your balance meets the requirement, look for the withdrawal option. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Common payment methods may include PayPal, bank transfer, or others specified by Thirsty Affiliates. Enter the required payment details accurately based on your chosen method. Double-check your information to avoid any errors. After confirming the details, click the Withdraw or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message that your withdrawal request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Funds typically take a few business days to arrive in your account, depending on the payment method. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance. Remember to track your balance and withdrawal history for your records. This process ensures a smooth withdrawal from your Thirsty Affiliates account. Following these steps will help you easily access your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.